Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you how much I earned in just one day doing this crypto arbitrage, and I'm also going to show you how I'm going to do many more arbitrages in the period of one day, which took me a few hours. But at the end of the day, I can tell you that we made a ton of money. If you're looking for a way to make some serious cash, then you're in the right place. Cryptocurrency arbitrage is an activity that consists of buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange for a low price and then selling it on another exchange for a higher price. Obviously, we have to deduct exchange commissions if they have them, and also the fee for transferring from one exchange to another. It's that simple. Now, before we get started, let me give you some tips on how to make this work for you. You need to know which platforms to use and which networks are best for the cryptocurrency you want to use. But don't worry, I've got all the details covered in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, I want to remind you that what you're about to see is some seriously valuable information. There are even cryptocurrency arbitrage courses that cost up to $1,000, and they don't even give you as much information as I'm about to give you. So do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything and it helps me out a lot. All right, guys, let's go make some money. The first thing we need to do is head over to Binance. This is where I keep all my capital for arbitrage and investments. Once you're there, go to the market section and type in SXP. This will show you the current value of the token we're going to use. At this moment, I select it and confirm the value, which is 0.4255. I take note of this value. Now here's where things get exciting. We're going to head over to the Solar page where all the magic happens. The page is SXP DeFi site. Once you're there, refresh the page to verify the value of SXP. At this moment, it's 0.348828, but if we calculate the difference between this value and the one on Binance, we're looking at a profit of approximately 20%. That's right, guys, you heard me correctly. We're going to make some serious cash today. So let's get started with our first transaction. We're going to send our capital from Binance to Trust Wallet since that's the wallet that Solar uses, and then we'll be ready to start making some serious money. All right, guys. First things first, I've already downloaded the app on my phone. We need to activate the coins we're going to use so that we can see any transactions. So let's start by activating USDT. And just to be clear, we're going to be using the BEP20 network. Then let's activate BNB also on the BEP20 network. And finally, SXP on the same network. Once they're all activated, I'll go to USDT and copy the wallet address so that I can send the crypto. Now on Binance, I'll go to Wallet Overview where I have my capital for arbitrage. Here I'll select Spot, which is where I have the tether for this arbitrage. All right, guys, it's time to make some serious cash. Yes, I'm going to use the $1,000 for this arbitrage. I select Withdraw, and here I paste the address that I just copied. And very importantly, select the BEP20 Binance Smart Chain Network. Confirm the amount, which in this case is 1,000, and then click on Withdraw and Confirm. A verification method will appear which is different for everyone. I'll cut it off here so that I can fill out mine and continue. I'm going to complete the same process for BNB to cover the transaction fees of the arbitrage. I'll send the minimum withdrawal in Binance, which is 0.01. The USDT arrived there. I don't think we should use more BNB than this. Let's verify once again and go back to the phone. Once I have my cryptos in Trust Wallet, I'll go to the Explorer and enter the Solar SXP DeFi site. I'll go down to the buy zone and select the BEP20 network first. They have a minimum of 100 USDT to give the discount price, so let's make sure we get that discount. I'll click on Buy SXP, which will redirect me to Trust Wallet, and I'll continue with the transaction. I'll click Next and Confirm. Just so you know, I prefer to do it with the 1,000 USDT since I save on fees and time. And of course, I have the possibility right now. I'll wait a couple of minutes for the transaction to confirm, and then my SXP will arrive in the same wallet where I sent it from. And there it is. I received 2,810 SXP, which if I'm not mistaken is equivalent to around 193 USDT. That's a nice profit. Now let's convert this profit to USDT. What I'll do is send this to Binance so that I can convert it. In Spot, I look for SXP and click on Deposit. This is to copy the wallet on the BEP20 network. Then I go back to the phone, enter SXP in Trust Wallet, and click on Send. I paste the address of SXP in Binance and click on Maximum. Then Next and Confirm. And then I wait for the transaction to confirm so that I can go to Binance. Back in trade, I click on Convert and obviously select SXP. Here I'll change SXP to USDT. It will be 2810 SXP and we'll preview the conversion. I see that I'll receive 1,193 USDT. That's fantastic. So I click on Convert. Okay. Convert, and that's it. Here I have my profit of 193 USDT in less than 20 minutes. That's amazing. Right now, I'm going to repeat this a couple of times, and then I'll come back to show you how much profit I made throughout the day. Well, guys, I'm back. It's been about 3 hours since I last talked to you. Sorry for the delay. I was doing a few things while I was doing the arbitrage. But here in my wallets, I don't know if you remember, but in spot, I had approximately 2,500 USDT to start with, and today, at the end of the day, I have 4,000 USDT. That's amazing. Here we see the latest incoming transactions of SXP and outgoing transactions of USDT, and with the latest incoming transaction of 5,810 SXP. Let's go into spot for a moment, and here are the 2472 USDT that I ended up with. If we remember, I started with 1,000 USDT, which means that in the end I had a profit of 1,472 USDT. It's worth noting that I achieved this by investing 5 times what I earned, that is, by doing compound interest. Well, guys, I hope this video is very useful for you.